Not all sprinkler systems are created equal. There's a bunch of different ways that you can design a sprinkler system for the same yard, but not all those ways are going to be in your long-term best interest. If we wanted to come in at a really low price, we could cut a bunch of corners by, say, putting 4 sprinkler heads in an area where we know you need 7 or 8 to get the proper amount of coverage. Or to cut down on the number of zones, we could put 12 heads on a line where we know that the size of your water supply line and your water pressure dictate that you can only get 6 or 7 heads on a line to have proper coverage. Now, you'd be really happy with us up front because your price would be really low on the front end, but months down the road when your water bill is really high and you still have brown spots in your yard because your sprinklers don't work properly, you'll be pretty upset. Now, that's not to say that we're going to gouge you with the price on our sprinkler systems. That's not the case at all. Part for part, we're going to be very competitive with any of the other places that you can get sprinkler parts out there. What the difference is with Sprinkler Daddy is in the design and in the service. We design our sprinkler systems using what's called head-to-head coverage. So you get as close to equal amounts of water on the entire area of your lawn, which means that you won't have to water as long to get the proper coverage, and you won't be spraying into your fence and into the street and into your house, which will save you money because you're saving water. And with Sprinkler Daddy, we do all the heavy lifting for you up front. If you were to do, say, a sprinkler system with a big box store, you'd have to go to the store, try and figure out if there's somebody in the store that knows what they're talking about, hope that you get the right parts, and try and figure it out on your own. With Sprinkler Daddy, we give you all the information you need to provide us with a scale diagram of your yard, and then you just send that to us and we take care of the rest. Once we give you a quote and you give us the go-ahead, we provide you with all the parts that you need. We're going to give you ship right to your door. You're not going to have to go anywhere. We're going to deliver this right to your door wherever you are, anywhere in Canada. And we're also going to give you the parts list, so a detailed list of all the parts that are in your package. And we're also going to take that design that you, or the plan that you provided us, and we're going to have all the heads and all the lines drawn on there so you know exactly where all the lines and all the heads need to go. And we're also going to give you a list that has all the sprinkler heads numbered, which nozzle goes in them, which fitting goes with them, and exactly where they go so that you won't get lost along the way. If you do have troubles, we've got a resource center with over 30 videos right now as I'm filming this one. It's growing all the time. We're adding more and more. And if you can't find your answer there, just send us an email and we'll try and find an answer for you. So basically, if you want to use Sprinkler Daddy, use us because we're going to save you the headache of trying to figure out what you need to do. You want to spend time in your yard, not working on your yard.